My name is Sersant Subui. I'm working at Londolozi at tree camp. I got a period of 9 years working at Londolozi as a butler. So I want to do the bird calling. Next year I'm going for Tracker Academy to study trekking and science. So I'll start with the Cape Tightly dove, and the second one it will be a fish eagle. The last one it will be a grey-headed bushrike. So when the Cape Tightly dove doing like this, it's symbolizing in the morning that work harder, in the afternoon, drink lager, drink lager. So I'll do the fish eagle. Once you hear the fish eagle doing like this in the morning, it means it will be hot, 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 hot. Hot, 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 hot. So when you go out in the bush, you rather keep your fleece away and you go with the t-shirt. It means it will be hot. So the last one I will do a grey-headed bushrike. When you hear the grey-headed bushrike doing like this, they asking where, 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 where. Thank you.